Hey guys, it's Drew here. Happy St. Patty's Day to you. Today, I'm going over how to change a headlight bulb on your 1992 Mercedes 300D. This can be similar for a lot of Mercedes, even if you have a later year. This is the W124 chassis, but most Mercedes are very similar. So I'm working on restoring these headlights. I'll have another video on that if you're interested in it. I'm going to be posting that soon. And yeah, it's not as hard as you think to restore. But so right now that I've got a headlight out, I'm going to show you how to change the bulb on it. It's not as hard as you think. It really isn't. But I can't wait to restore these headlights. They're in bad shape. So you're going to come around here to the back. Now normally there's a windshield wiper reservoir here that's been removed. That was the way it was when I got this car, and I don't use windshield wipers on. Okay, so there's also usually a piece of plastic over this, and you'll have to pinch the plastic to get this cover off here. So the cover's already off in this example, but it's a lot harder easier than you think. You don't have to take the entire headlight out like that to change the light bulb. Okay, so there's a little dial. So we're gonna go over here, but I'm gonna show you on this headlight how simple it is. Okay, it's much easier to show you from this point of view. Okay, so when you reach around there, there's a little dial on here, and you're gonna turn it. I'm not sure, it's either counterclockwise or counterclockwise. It depends on which way you are, I guess. Okay, so we're going to the left here, but if it's facing the other way, and then that little dial loosens up like this. Okay, and you don't even have to pull that all the way off, but anyway, and then this light just pulls right out. There it goes, it just pulls right out. Okay, you don't even need the puller. Okay, so there's your light bulb. Okay, and these are halogens, and so it just pulls right out, and then that clip that's on there that I was trying to get, that's where you unclip the light bulb there. So you can use a puller like this to unpry that, or you can just use your fingers right there. And then this light bulb is all you buy in the store, this whole black assembly here. Okay, and then a new bulb just clicks in there. This bulb still works, so I don't even want to take it out because I don't want to mess up the connector, but it's pretty simple job. So anyway, so once you get that new bulb back on, take this bulb into the store and tell the auto parts store obviously what model Mercedes you have and what you need. Then you line this back up, and that just clips right in there. Literally just seats in there. So all I did was pull out. Okay, and then you put this screw thing back on. Make sure it's pushed in there pretty good. And then turn this thing counterclockwise, or till it tightens up again. And sometimes you'll have to fuss with this a little bit. They're not 100%. You can see there's fittings on there where they need to go. So we're wrestling with this here a little bit. And keep in mind, this headlight's out, so you're going to be doing this probably in a different position. Okay guys, so after fiddling with this for a little while, I did it off camera because I want to get it right for you. You can see that this bottom part looks a little different. Now if you're obviously behind here, you may or may not be able to see where it is, but this bottom part seats on the bottom of the light. It slides in there, and you can see there's a little groove there right where that Bosch thing is. Okay, so good old Bosch coming. Okay, so now it's in. You turn it one way. I don't know if it's clockwise or counterclockwise. To me, it's clockwise, but if the headlight's in the car, it's probably counterclockwise, and it should click. There it is. It's in. Okay, so now you've got a new headlight bulb in there, and that's it. That's how it works. Okay, guys. So like I said, it pretty much how you do it. You're doing it from this angle. You just reach in here, you feel that little dial, and you'll turn it, and you just pull the headlight out. So once you get that dial turned, hope this helps, guys.